Namaste. So hello, what's up? How you doing? I'm fine, thank you. I had a wonderful day, and I got some really good news. Great news. First of all, yesterday I was bummed out that the breakfast of Tiffany's was sold out in a flash, so I kind of went ahead and made my own. And I took like a blue and a green, dark green, and a white theater makeup that I have, and I mixed it all together and I came up with this look. And it's my best until I can get my hands on Jeffree Star's Breakfast at Tiffany's, which I hope will be very fucking soon. Anyway, today I'm gonna make a small eBay haul. It's gonna be very tiny because I didn't get a lot. And oh, the good news is I got a new legal guardian, and my case has actually been running for 6 months now, which means that it will go in front of a court within 3 months, and I definitely get a change of my sentence, which means I will be out of here in 6 months, 9 tops. So I'm freaking out. I will be free. I've been here I'm going on year 6, and it's been such a long ride, man. Such a lonely, long ride, but you know me. I'm strong, I find out things to do, and I have fun with myself, and I dig it. So, anyway, let me show you what I got in the mail today. I got 5 packages, but 3 of them was full of stickers. And I'm not gonna show you each and every sticker like I have previously, because look, God, man, it's full of stickers, and a lot of them are the same, but there's a lot of new ones that are really cool. There's some weed leaves, there's some sugar skull, there's this one which is really amazing. Let me see if I can get it in the light. It's so bloody cool, and I love stickers. I have a thing for stickers. I love this too. This is, you can see it's the Joker face painted on Osama bin Laden, and it says fascism. So, and there's a lot of cool stickers in here. I'm not going to show you because there's 150 of them, and it will be a long video. But I got those, and I bought 500 total, so which I plan to sell in markets and shit. But I told you that. Then I got this box, which I expected to be like this big. It's smaller, and it came broken. So I've been complaining about this because this is not good. It works and it can be used, but it's broken, and I can cut myself on it, and I'm not that stupid, but I want a refund, or they can send me a new one and I'll throw this away. I won't, I'll keep it, but you know. Then I got something really freaking awesome. I got this belt, which I waited for a while, and I love belts like this. I expected these circles to be bigger, but it's pretty okay, and I can like move my bloody ass. And then I got something even more amazing that I really was waiting very shortly for. I got this. This is for my portfolio. I think it's called also portfolio in English. It's for my drawings and my artwork when I have to go out and show it for getting exhibitions. And I can have pretty big stuff in this. I wish it was a little bigger though, but I have to work with what I got. I paid only about $30 for this, which is really cheap, and it has room for a lot of drawings, so it's good, and I can scale stuff down. And if I become this tattoo artist, which I want to become, if I don't end up as a makeup artist, then I will surely be wearing this and using this a lot. So happy me, happy me. That's about all for today, ladies and gentlemen. But I promised you a video, so I had to make one, and I came bearing good news. I hope you will give me a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel. And I love you. I hope you like my makeup. I really love this makeup, and this hair is gorgeous. Anyway, namaste. See you around. And as always, kiss goodbye. Catch.